Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat. G for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H for hen. H for helicopter. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K for kite. K for king. And again use yellow color. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. And use black color. Black color. M. M for moon. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of O. Kids, again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Kids, again use blue color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun. S for snake. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw W. W is for watch. W is for wolf. Kids night X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Kids night Y. Y for yak. Y for yo. And use green color. Green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.